The Lock-O-Matic and Model D are the two types of section mills available from Baker Oil Tools. For section milling applications with the Lock-O-Matic, metal muncher cutter inserts are used for increased ROP and smaller cuttings. For underreaming applications with the Lock-O-Matic, the cutters can be changed to accommodate a specific formation type. We need to make the initial cutout to the point where the cutter arms are fully extended. They are now locked into position and section milling can begin. The Model D section mill is field proven and indicates a positive pressure drop at surface when the cutout is made. Jets in the top of the tool can be sized to accommodate different pumps and annular velocities. The Model D also incorporates metal muncher cutting technology. Before starting a section milling operation, the well bore must be clear to allow passage of the BHA. The section milling BHA is then run in the hole to KOP depth. Typical accessories below the Lock-O-Matic include tapered mill, drill collars. Jet sub can be run below the tool to clean the cutters or above the tool to enhance well bore cleaning, and stabilizer. Typical accessories above the Lock-O-Matic include drill collars, shock sub, and drill pipe to surface. Collar position is then determined by idling the pumps and slowly slacking off until the knives bump the collar. With the section mill positioned just above a casing collar, rotation and circulation are started. The cutout process is now underway. Should pump limitations make a cutout difficult, a special wash-away ball is dropped down the work string into the lower end of the Lock-O-Matic, creating a greater pressure drop and forcing the cutout. The ball is quickly washed away and the annular velocity is resumed. The section length can now be cut. With the section cut complete, the tool is then pulled out of the well. The cement plug is now set in the section itself. Next, the drilling BHA with AKO is run in the hole and the side track is drilled. The drilling BHA is then pulled out of the hole. For underreaming applications, the Lock-O-Matic can be dressed with any type of roller cone, PDC, or bear claw cutters. The cutout into the formation is then made and underreaming is begun. After the hole is opened to the specified diameter, the Lock-O-Matic is pulled out and the well's completion phase is begun.
Set a rock-to-rock barrier and know that the job's done right. When thousands of feet of seawater stand between your rig and the mudline, you need a partner who can consistently mitigate the risks and costs inherent to extreme environment plug and abandonment. Our Endura dual-string section mill not only enables verifiable well integrity, it delivers in about half the time of traditional plug and abandonment. Put simply, there's no better or faster way to safely plug and abandon your well. Rather than removing thousands of feet of dual-string casing, Endura technology mills through 100-foot-long sections of both 9 5/8 and 13 3/8 casing strings. This significantly reduces rig time for most P&A jobs and sets the stage for a permanent and verifiable rock-to-rock barrier. Endura technology mills through the 9 5/8 casing like any other section mill. The difference lies in trips dedicated to the outer string. The Endura dual-string section mill passes through restricted IDs in the 9 5/8 casing string. Cutting tools expand to engage the 13 3/8 casing strings. The tool then removes approximately 15 feet of casing to prepare for milling. Using advanced cutting technology that improves swarf handling and reduce bird nesting, the mills engage and then mill through the remaining section of outer casing. To complete the rock-to-rock barrier, we then proceed with a cleanout run, setting and inflating an inflatable packer such as our IPP packers. And finally, run our world-class cementing tools, which enable permanent and compliant cementing for abandonment. The result is the best barrier in the business, a rock-to-rock hydraulic seal across the borehole that mimics natural bedding, mitigates gas migration, and can be verified with a pressure test. Set a rock-to-rock barrier and P&A the right way with the Endura dual-string section mill. Contact your Weatherford representative for more details.